In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share your Framer project by creating a remix link. Whether you're working collaboratively with a team or simply showcasing your design work to clients or friends, being able to share a project seamlessly can greatly enhance the efficiency of your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. To start, you'll want to open Framer on your computer. If you're a regular Framer user, you probably already have it installed and ready to go. Upon opening the application, you'll be greeted with the main interface. This is where all the magic happens, where you design, prototype, and express your creativity. Once you're in Framer, the next step is to open your specific project that you'd like to share. You can think of a project in Framer as a space where all your specific design files and ideas are housed. Navigate to the project section and select the project you need from your list. As you open it, you'll notice your workspace filled with familiar design elements, ready for you to manipulate as needed. At this point, you're set to move on to the next step in sharing your project. Direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll find the menu bar. Clicking on Menu will reveal a drop-down list of various actions you can take. This menu is your gateway to numerous functionalities that Framer offers, from creating new files to exporting your work. Now, what you're looking to find in this menu is File. This is the section where you can manage your project's files, opening, saving, and crucially for us, initiating the sharing process. Click on File and you'll see another drop-down menu appearing. Among the options here may be Save, Export, and of course, the one we are interested in, Copy Remix Link. By selecting Copy Remix Link, Framer will generate a unique remix link for your project. What this means is that anyone with this link can view and interact with your project in their own Framer interface. It's particularly useful for collaborative workflows, allowing for seamless sharing and addition of designs and prototypes. This link essentially allows others to make a remix, a duplicate of your project that they can tweak and explore on their own terms without altering your original work. Be mindful of whom you share this link with, especially if the content is sensitive or in developmental stages. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully created a remix link in Framer, ready to be shared with someone who can appreciate and build upon your creation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it clarifies the sharing process within Framer. Thanks for watching and happy designing.